A Chinese robotics company just released a video so unbelievable the entire internet accused them of using CGI. They weren't. And what happened next proves we've entered a new era of humanoid robots. On December 2nd, 2025, EngineAI unveiled the T800 humanoid robot. The launch video showed the robot performing moves that seemed impossible. Breaking down doors with powerful kicks, executing perfect roundhouse kicks, moving with precision and speed that looked more like a trained martial artist than a machine. Within hours, the video exploded across social media. But instead of excitement, the dominant reaction was skepticism. Comments flooded in claiming the footage was computer-generated. "This is CGI. No way that's real. Someone's in a suit." The accusation spread so fast that EngineAI's credibility was on the line. So they did something unprecedented. On December 4th, just 2 days later, EngineAI released behind-the-scenes footage, raw, unedited clips showing the T800's internal mechanics, the lighting rigs, the camera angles, the actual robot performing the moves with no digital enhancement. They explicitly stated, no CGI, no AI generation, no video speedup, pure hardware. The specifications back up the performance. The T800 stands 1.73 meters tall. That's about 5 feet 8 inches. It's powered by NVIDIA's Thor chip, delivering 2,250 TOPS of computing power. The robot features 82 degrees of freedom for full-body movement. Its hands alone have 22 degrees of freedom, enabling human-like dexterity. But here's what makes this story bigger than just one impressive robot. This is the third major Chinese humanoid company to face authenticity accusations in recent months. Earlier in 2025, XPeng dealt with similar skepticism after showing its iron robot walking with an unnaturally smooth gait. They ended up cutting the robot open on stage to prove it was real. UTech Robotics faced backlash when they published footage of hundreds of Walker S2 robots moving in perfect synchronization. Figure AI's CEO publicly questioned whether the robots were digitally inserted. All three companies responded the same way. More footage, more angles, more edited takes, behind-the-scenes documentation, and in every case, the robots were real. This pattern reveals something important. Humanoid robot motion has evolved so rapidly that movements once considered impossible are now realistic enough to trigger disbelief. What looked like science fiction 2 years ago is now standard hardware capability. EngineAI isn't just building an impressive demo robot. They announced a dual-track strategy. Track 1, entertainment and sports. They're hosting a robot boxing event on December 24th, 2025. Track 2, real-world deployment. The company plans full scenario-based verification and large-scale deployment in 2026 across industrial production, commercial services, and even family companionship applications. The T800 represents more than engineering achievement. It's a signal that Chinese robotics companies are closing the gap with Western competitors, and in some capabilities, potentially surpassing them. The fact that these robots move so well that people assume they're fake, that's not a credibility problem. That's a milestone. For more robot news and industry analysis, visit MyRobot.shop.